This is Dave at TitleSearch.com. In this video, we're going to talk about getting a copy of an actual lien versus just having it listed on a title search. If you receive a title search or a certified title abstract and there is a lien on a property, you'll see that lien listed as one or two line items. It'll have details such as the grantor and grantee, also known as the creditor and borrower or debtor. It'll have the date of the lien. It might even have the amount of the lien if that's applicable. If you need information about that property and want to go further, if you actually obtain a copy of the lien, it'll look something like this. It usually has terms and conditions, signatures, stamps, and some of the official history of when that lien was recorded. It may give you some advantages to whatever project you're working on. And here's how. First of all, that lien copy will give you terms and conditions about the lien. It'll tell you more about where that lien originated. Was it a mechanic's lien originating from work on the property? It possibly was a judgment lien originating from some consumer credit, maybe a loan gone bad, car loan gone bad. It may also be a lien that originated from a civil lawsuit. Maybe the property owner was sued in small claims court and they ended up with a lawsuit. It may be a lien for something like child support delinquency or spousal maintenance not being paid. All of that information is important to realize if you are a potential purchaser or investor in the property, because it may indicate other liability on the property. It may indicate other facts about the property that are not yet known. If you are looking to purchase the property and you are not the debtor of that particular lien or judgment, you may be able to contact a lien holder and get some negotiated payment to have that lien removed from the property. It's not going to make that lien go away for the borrower, for the debtor, but you want to get it off your property as an investor. Many creditors will negotiate a payment to get at least something to have that lien taken off your property so you can go forward with your investment. Knowing the details of that underlying debt is very important to be able to do that. Also important is a recognition of any interest or penalty accruals on that lien. Even though the lien might have a face value of $10,000, there may be a statutory interest accrual or penalties of non-payment that go along with that lien. This is especially important on municipal liens such as tax liens or sewer liens. They may have a statutory interest and penalty accrual that goes along with that lien. A lien copy in your hands will also give you a lot of information about estoppel and clearance instructions, how to get that lien off the property, who to contact, how it works, what paperwork you need to get, and what might be trigger points for getting that lien removed from the property. And contact information for the lien holder is crucial. If you are buying a property, let's say at foreclosure auction, and you can get that lien document in your hands a few days before the auction, you may be able to contact that lien holder and have them give you some ideas of what they might accept as a settlement to get the lien off the property. If you have that as an investor and the other potential bidders don't, you might be able to bid a little more for that property and still make some money because you know that you won't have to pay that whole lien off to get it removed from the property. The last thing is, if you're looking at the lien itself, you'll see signatures, notary information, dates. Those are crucial information to find out more about the underlying debt of that lien and whether or not it's valid. If for example, the notary wasn't active at the time that they validated the signatures, there may be a claim to remove that lien from the property. So if you're doing a title search, put a lot of effort and inquiry into getting copies of the actual documents so that you can get the terms and conditions of the underlying lien. It may help you either negotiate a better deal on the property, know more about what's going on with the property, or even find ways to have that lien removed. If you want more information, you can reach us through our website below on the link at TitleSearch.com. And if you know somebody else who would benefit from this video, use the share button and send it along to them so they can get the same information that you did. See you on the next video.